welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Saranpreet and I love to make such videos. So if you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing for more such videos. So without any further ado, let's start this video. In this video, I'll be showing or reviewing Amazon home decor or office decor products that I purchased year back, and all these products are my personal favorite. And if you're interested in decorating your home, office room or study room, this video is going to be really helpful for you. So let's begin this video. And all the product links are provided in the description box in case you want to order something or if you like something. So the first product in my list is this mesh board or vision board. I personally believe in visualizing my goals and dreams in life. So I just want my goals in front of my eyes every day so that I'll be more focused and consistent in my work to achieve that goals. Talking about the mesh board, its quality, color, everything is so good. You can blindly trust on me if you want to purchase. Talking about the price, it is for 7 to 9 rupees. It looks so aesthetic and adds value and study vibe even in the boring place. So the next thing for your home office decor is a planner. It is not for decor but it is for the real use, and this one is essential for your office or study desk so that you will be more organized and more productive in your life. So this is Tiny Wins Daily Planner. It says miracle happens every day. So that's so true. I got this planner in 2019. I'm still using it. And this is the best planner I have ever purchased. This is my first planner. So the best thing about this planner is it is undated. I love undated planners. In case you're inconsistent like me, you skip some dates, you skip some days when you don't feel like writing anything, you don't feel like planning anything. So undated planners are best because we don't have to waste pages. In case you are inconsistent like me, this one is a best choice for you. It consists of 5 sections: day schedule, to-do list, top 3 priorities of the day, wellness corner, additional notes. This planner also includes gratitude list, habit tracker and many more other things. So I got this planner for rupees 499. So in total this product is value for money and I personally recommend this planner to you all. So the next thing from this setup is these 2 macrame hangers. Macrame hangers are in trend everywhere, and I also got these 2 macrame hangers from Amazon. This is a set of 2. And I got this set of 2 for rupees 649. It just adds aesthetic value and it adds grace and beauty to the walls. You can add this to give bohemian touch to your any space. This looks amazing. And this looks perfect for your aesthetic home office setup. So you can surely invest in such products if you want to decorate your home office or your study desk. So all these products are my personal favorites and I use these products for an year. That's why I'm recommending you all these products. So let's proceed further. So the next product from this whole setup is these 2 wooden hanging shelf, or you can say plant shelf. For me it is a plant shelf. You can also put your favorites decor, small decor items on it. You can add your touch according to your taste. You can also add pictures, you can also add planters, you can also add some decor, small decor pieces. And it looks so perfect even in your bedroom, office room, wherever you want to. So these are perfect, and the quality of wood is also really nice. It gives a perfect touch of minimalist and boho decor. So if you're interested in a boho and minimalist aesthetic decor, you can invest in such product. I got this one for rupees 249 and I think it's a perfect value for money, and worthy product. You can add this to your favorite place to give a boho and minimalist vibe. And the next thing is this jute basket. I got these like set of 3 for rupees 899. These bags are made of natural jute and cotton and hence gives a gorgeous overlook. You can hide a dirty pot inside them, and you can also add extra wires in them and place it under the table to give a neat look to your home office setup. So these bags are multi-purpose storage bags of very good quality, as well as gives a aesthetic and boho look to the whole place. So the whole look of my home office is Pinterest inspired, boho and minimalist kind of. And the last thing from my setup is this star LED light. It is of 3 meter length. I got this for rupees 259 and it gives a warm yellow light. It is also very easy to install and overall of very good quality. Since it is battery operated, you don't have to search for the plug point, so that's a good thing. Home office or study space should be a space that motivates you, energizes you and raises your productivity, because it is impossible to stay productive and motivated in a place where you doesn't feel like yours. So that's why you have to build a place where you feel productive and motivated to work more and feel productive in your life. So I already made a makeover video of this whole space, so if you are interested you can check that video in the I button. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed or learned something from this video. If you do so, then do like, share and subscribe. So comment down which product do you like the most from this whole setup. And bye bye, meet you in the next video. Take care.